My friend came over and pointed out that the fire alarm was beeping. I was surprised. I didn't know.
I was cooking in the kitchen and my friend's daughter fell down the stairs and got hurt. She was crying out for help. I had no idea what was happening.
The current products on the market are extremely limited. We can buy a device for a smoke detector and another that tells me when my doorbell rings, but nothing that can distinguish between a microwave, baby crying, dog barking, or any other household sound. The reason no one's been able to create a product like this is the shortage of data. In order to teach a machine learning model how to distinguish sounds with any level of accuracy, you would need literally millions of sound samples. Turns out the answer was in front of us the whole time. YouTube contains over 1 billion hours of videos that are filled with sounds. We trained the C-Sound machine learning model with sound clips from YouTube. Over 2 million videos were analyzed, categorized, and converted into 10-second sound clips, each containing a discrete sound. Each type of sound in our data model, like yelling, is comprised of several thousand YouTube audio samples. These sounds range from common household noises to alerts that could mean life or death. Every sound clip we add makes our machine learning protocol even smarter, allowing for even higher accuracy ratings.
While the technology is incredibly complex, the user experience couldn't be more simple. C-Sound is always listening for one of the 75 sounds it's programmed to hear. Once a sound occurs, it interprets the noise and communicates it via Wi-Fi to the user's mobile device.